You made a choice. It may weigh on you, or it may bring relief. Both are valid. Guilt may whisper. Sadness may sit beside you. Anxiety may pulse in your chest. These feelings do not mean you did wrong. They mean you are human. Your mind is processing a huge, personal decision. It is normal to feel conflict. It is normal to replay moments. It is normal to ask yourself if you did the right thing. Give yourself permission to feel. Name your emotions. Sit with them without judgment. Talk to someone safe. Reflect. Write. Breathe. Each step is healing. Each acknowledgement of your feelings is progress. You are allowed relief. You are allowed grief. You are allowed complexity. There is no single way to feel, and there is a way forward. Peace can return. Clarity can return. Self-compassion can return. Remember, you survived a difficult choice. You are still here, and you are allowed to care for yourself now. You deserve understanding, kindness, and patience from others and from yourself.